Hi, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be giving a demonstration on the forward cross tire rotation method. First, we're going to start off with loosening the lug nuts. We will be doing this on all four wheels. Depending on your wheels, you will have between 4 and 5 lug nuts. We're going to start by using the jack to jack up the front left. My jack was too big for the front left, so I had to use my other jack. We're going to place a jack stand on the rear left, and then we're going to remove the lug nuts and bring the rear left tire or wheel to the front right. Just going to leave it there for now. I'm going to bring the front left and drop it back down to the rear left. Going to put on those lug nuts again, and then we're going to set up for the other side. We're going to leave the jack stand and jack on the left side. Bringing over the jack to the right side, we're going to jack up the rear right. We will then place a jack stand on the front right. Then we'll remove the lug nuts from the rear right wheel, and then we're going to bring it across to the front left. Make sure to put the lug nuts back on there. Now that side is complete, we can take away the jack and the jack stand. I needed the jack over here just to bring it up a little bit. I'm going to remove the front right wheel, and then we're going to drop it back to the rear right. Make sure to put the lug nuts back on there. And then we're going to bring that final wheel onto the right, front right. Placing the lug nuts back on. Now that we are all done, we can take away all the jacks, remove all the jack stands. Right now, it's a good time to look up your torque specs and double check them. It's important. Adjust your torque wrench to the specifications and torque down all of your lug nuts on all four wheels. This way you'll know for sure that they won't fall off. And we're all done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to call Vendor Roadside. Like and comment, subscribe.